Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you a charging problem for your Samsung, basically any Samsung. So if you have a charging port problem, if your phone still charges but it plays up, or when you plug it in charge, as you can see, like in this case it just doesn't go in, and it's, you can see charger doesn't go in. So and you see it plays up when it charges, like in this one. See, so trying not to, so it's playing it, it's not charging properly. So at the moment it's not charging, but you have to press and it comes up with sign, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to sort that. So basically what it is, we're going to go ahead and clean the charging port. As you can see, it holds a load of dust, so that's what causes the problem of charging. In most cases, if it still charges and it plays up like that, and basically the charger lead doesn't go in properly, so you know it's the dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. So you get like a small pin like this, and you just clean it carefully. As you can see, look how much dust. That's all inside. So I'm going to try and get some more. Once you clean it all, you get rid of all the dust, then hopefully it should start charging properly. So another lot. So that's what causes charging problem. So that's all was inside. So make sure you do it gently, don't break the charging port. So that's how much dust was inside. I think it's all done. So you're going to try and charge it now. And as you can see now, it's fast charge, and you will see that the cable is gone in properly now. So if this video helped you guys, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.
Do you want to know?